Hello viewers, today I am discussing about internal CSS, external CSS and embedded CSS. Embedded CSS, also known as inline CSS. This type of CSS are generally used inside the HTML tags. Any HTML tag define the embedded CSS by applying style attribute. This attribute of a style sheet can define so many CSS commands which apply upon the HTML tags. This type of the declaration of inline CSS is directly embed the codes along with HTML tag, right? And the output of this inline CSS will be like this inline embedded CSS. This style sheet taken by the given commands font family Arial black and the font size 16 pixels. Okay, now next one I am discussing about the internal CSS. The internal CSS always defined inside the head tag. The head tag contains an additional attribute, an additional tag style. This tag contain all the CSS that we needs to apply on that HTML page. We can define the internal CSS as follows. It is a type of CSS which define between head opening and head closing tag. The style tag contain all the internal CSS using tag. Here tag for HTML tag like paragraph, P, UL, LI, H1, H2. These all tags styles can be defined inside this style tag, right? Here I am defining a single HTML body tags. This tag define here color red. Okay, now I am again taking ID and a class along with the internal CSS. ID always defined by using symbol hash main. Main is a label user defined which contain these CSS in which bottom border style solid and bottom width thick, padding 20 pixels. जहाँ भी हम लोग इस main को कॉल करेंगे with div, it will apply this style sets. And also the classes are defined by using dot text. Here color will be blue and the font style italic. Now we can apply these internal CSS on this page. Div id main and div will close. Div class text has defined main show called by id and dot defined class so called by class. Text defined by dot show class will call and main defined with hash so id will call, right? And the styles will implemented by the text, this one header, another style sheets F2N, right? This is the implementation of internal CSS. Now the code of internal CSS text. Back to the text. Color blue, font style italic. Now we can view the font style here is italic. This implemented by the tag font style italic and the color will be blue. When you will change here color red and refresh this one, the color of this change, right? Red. This shows the internal CSS. Now I am coming on the last topic, external CSS. External CSS must be defined with separate file with file extension .css and can write all the tags id and class for the HTML styles. Here I am taking only dot header, dot define class. So header is here class, and we can call by using an additional attribute class. Font variant small caps, ये small में रहेगा always, कभी ये कैपिटल में चेंज नहीं होगा. अब हेडर के अंदर में जो भी टेक्स्ट लिखेंगे will be always in small caps. And the font size declared here 36. And this external file, external CSS file, we can call inside the head tag by applying link tag. Here the link rel relation style sheet, href the name of external CSS file dot css and type tag css. This link tag include this external file inside this HTML page, and we can directly call all the declared tags, id and classes. Now here I am calling only single header div class header, calling external defined class. Like this we can declare so many id and classes inside the external CSS file and can directly implement by the HTML. Here calling external CSS defined CSS. This one is defined by external CSS file. Thank you viewers for watching my video.